Yoo-hoo. 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 Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo-hoo. Yoo. Yoo-hoo. 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 Yoo-doo-doo. Yoo. Yoo-hoo. Yoo. Yoo-doo-doo. Yoo. Yoo-hoo. 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 Oh, Hawkeye Ghost, you made cake for me. I can see you had a little problem with the rising agent. But let's taste it. I don't know if it's done all the way through either. Mmm. That is an interesting flavor. Okay, it's raw at the bottom. It's done on top, raw at the bottom. Maybe try a different pan. Oh, there's the caraway seeds. And I don't know if red wine was the right choice. I'd be curious to try this with white wine. Maybe all the different kinds of wine and see what's better. I don't know why I'm still eating this, because Hawkeye Ghost made it. And that is an interesting texture. Mmm. I'm gonna go get some water.